Guys, this quick guard is not a full tutorial but designed to help you nail a solid drop fade. As you can see, I'm starting out a 1/4 inch above the C-cuff area and dropping down to the back below the occipital bone. Now clearing out the rest of the hair underneath for that crispy, clean look. With the lever fully open, I'm setting in another 1 inch guard line, ensuring it aligns with our previous baseline. Removing this second guideline, I'm transitioning it smoothly by pushing the lever halfway. Now with the lever fully closed, I'm working to remove the last visible line for a more detailed transition. Using a 1.5 guard with the lever fully open, I'm setting in another 1 inch guard line. As you can see, I'm still maintaining that parallax baseline. Then with the lever fully closed, I'm softening the line without going too high. Switching back to the number 1 guard with the lever fully open, I'm gradually softening the line in small steps. Now, onto the 0.5 guard with the lever halfway closed, aiming to clear out any inconsistencies and ensure a uniform baseline. Attention to detail is key to standing out as a barber. Adjusting the lever fully open and fine-tuning the fade to achieve that sought after blurry effect. Remember, this video is not a comprehensive tutorial but offers a solid method for achieving a great drop fade. To complete this haircut does require some additional steps. Use number 2 guard to debug. With number 3 guard, remove any fly out hair. Detail between number 2 and 1.5 guard.